Here is a room tour for the Zanzibar Serena Hotel. This is a double room, and this hotel is located in the heart of Stone Town. So right when you walk in is the bathroom, nice and light and bright. We have soaps and washcloths. There's water in here. There's shampoo, no, what is that? Hand wash and body lotion, a toilet. There's a bathtub in here. We have a handheld shower. There's a robe in here. As we come out of the bathroom, here is a closet. So this one has the safe and it has the drawers, and then there's space for luggage down here. Also, this room has a ton of storage. And then in here, we have the hangers. There's some umbrellas. There's, I think that's a laundry bag. And of course, we have slippers. And then here is the room we just checked in. So this is the double room. So they've already pulled, it's in the evening, it's probably about 7:30. So they've already pulled the mosquito nets for the night. But it does look like there's a roll and a pillow, and there's water on the bedside table. And then here is a television. They turned it on. I don't know what's on there. This does look like it's a connecting room. And then here is, we have a chair, and then we have this beautiful vanity and a little stool there. The floor is cement. The room is very clean. We have a rug here, and then we have a phone, water, pen, paper, lamp. It looks like there is an outlet there, but it's being used by the plug for the lamp, so we'll have to see what's happening there. There is a blow dryer. It is nighttime. We do kind of overlook a courtyard and a beach, but there's not enough light to see what's happening. So here's the second bed, and then here's like another little table area, and then I think this goes out to the patio. And here we have a kettle and coffee setup and water. So this is the room, a double room at Zanzibar Serena Hotel.